Welcome to Everything Python. It's been a while since I did one of these, and there has been a lot of advancements in generative AI since then. But one of the things that has remained constant is one of the better ways to run local models, which is Ollama. And the previous video, or one of the previous videos, I had demonstrated how to install Ollama. You can find it in the previous videos. I've already done that, and I've downloaded Qwen38B, the model, locally. And one thing I want to do right now is show you how we can do a web search with it, because normally these local models are not equipped with the web search capability right out of the box, right? So it is part of what we call tools. Just like a carpenter cannot do anything without his tools, a model is also only as good as its tools, right? And it can obviously do some basic generation from the native way that it's been tuned or it's been trained, but if you actually want to equip it further, you'll have to associate it with more number of tools, and web search is one of those tools, right? So for example, I can just say hi, and it will respond hi, and it would have done that even though even if there was no web tool, right? Local models are a bit smaller than other models like Claude and Gemini and ChatGPT. Now, if I were to ask something about the web without adding the tool, it would not be able to do that, right? But here I've already equipped it, so I can ask something about what's the latest in, I don't know, in Cloud Code. What was the last thing to be launched? Let's see, it's thinking, and it's actually you'll see that it's able to use a tool, right? The tool used is the web search, and it's returning a max of 3 results. I've asked it to return a max of 3 results. While it's thinking, let's take a look at the code quick bit. So here I just have a basic Streamlit application, and I've asked it to use this particular tool, the search tool. Yeah, web search is one of the tools that is exposed by Ollama, and I've used that tool here, right? And then if the message that is returned is a result of the tool call, it will append it to the list of messages that I get back as a response. So yes, memory command, in November 2025 memory management. So the last version was on Feb 26, 2026, and the date today is March 1st, right? So it's pretty effective. So yeah, that's a quick primer on how you can use one of the tools in Ollama. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one, I guess.